Discover 20 incredible Amazon smart home gadgets to upgrade your home with the latest tech.
These cutting-edge cameras are cleverly designed to resemble standard light bulbs, providing seamless wireless connectivity. They are perfect for use in both indoor and outdoor settings. These cameras not only serve as practical surveillance tools, but also enhance the overall decor of any space. This compact gadget is designed to accommodate even the largest smartphones. Its universal design ensures compatibility with any phone brand. Simply unfold the tripod and secure your device for immediate stability. Plus, its small size makes it incredibly portable, easily fitting into your pocket. How amazing is that? With this compact tripod, you can elevate your photography game, ensuring that every shot is steady and perfectly framed. Revamp your kitchen with the 15-piece Karoti pots and pans set. This versatile collection features pans with detachable handles, allowing you to save up to 70% more storage space when stacked. The ceramic non-stick granite coating makes cleanup a breeze. Just toss them in the dishwasher. With removable handles, these pans transition effortlessly from stovetop to oven, providing quick and even heating on all types of hobs. Maximize your savings and space by using this multifunctional set not only for cooking, but also as dinnerware for unforgettable meals, or as storage containers with the included lids. Experience the bliss of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, featuring the enchanting fragrance of heavenly lavender and almond blossom. This exquisite combination surrounds you with the refreshing aroma of lavender, beautifully complemented by soft, creamy floral undertones, creating a moment of pure happiness and tranquility. The Essential Mist reimagines fragrance delivery by converting natural essential oils into a fine mist that fills your space with delightful scents. This contemporary fragrance system is both portable and cordless, allowing you to effortlessly transition it from one room to another without being restricted by power outlets. Each long-lasting refill offers up to 45 days of continuous fragrance on the low setting. Experience the joy of golf right in your home with this indoor mini golf set. Designed with a kidney-shaped putting green, it boasts a premium surface that guarantees a smooth putting experience every time. The built-in sand trap cutouts add an authentic touch, capturing any missed shots and making your practice sessions more realistic. With a non-skid backing, you can enjoy stability during your game. Plus, the shipping box conveniently transforms into a storage solution, allowing you to easily roll up the mat and keep it safe when not in use. Transform your laundry experience with the Pulkow Laundry Cart. This roomy cart measures 32.3 inches in length and 19.7 inches in width and stands 31.5 inches tall, providing an impressive 320-liter capacity, ideal for handling family-size loads. Made with durable 6DD premium Oxford cloth, this cart is both wear-resistant and waterproof. Its innovative round buckle design keeps the laundry bag securely in place, preventing any collapse even when it's fully loaded. Versatile in nature, it's perfect for commercial environments like hotels and dormitories, as well as for everyday laundry tasks at home. Plus, it's an excellent solution for organizing toys, exercise gear, or any other items that need tidying up. Introducing the Mini Mop, your new cleaning companion that feels like magic. This innovative tool effortlessly washes and wrings out water in a single motion. Simply rinse the sponge head, pull and squeeze with one hand, and voila! Your hands stay dry while your mop is ready for action. Ideal for bathrooms, kitchen counters, and even windows, this mop is crafted from premium nanomaterials, ensuring durability, quick water absorption, and long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to messy cleaning and hello to convenience. Transform your home with a touch of vintage elegance using the Supmind Glass Bud Vase set. This exquisite collection includes 12 blue glass vases, each featuring intricate etched designs that catch the light beautifully. Made from thick, durable glass, these vases are built to withstand breakage, while highlighting the natural beauty of your flowers. Their versatile size makes them ideal for small buds, dried arrangements, or even reed diffuser sticks. These delightful vases serve as stunning centerpieces for any event, from casual dinners to elegant wedding receptions. Place them on your windowsill, dining table, or any space where you wish to infuse a bit of vintage charm. This versatile folding shop cart boasts a unique interchangeable design and impressive high capacity, allowing you to organize your items effectively across two spacious tiers. Equipped with a secure strap for added peace of mind, it features heavy-duty wheels that guarantee smooth rolling, complemented by a brake function for stability on any surface. You can effortlessly navigate stairs, and its straightforward assembly makes it a breeze to set up. When not in use, it conveniently folds down for easy storage in your car or home. These ultra-soft, highly absorbent Orite microfiber cleaning cloths make cleaning a breeze. They effortlessly capture dirt, dust, and grime from kitchen surfaces, windows, cars, and more, using only water or a gentle cleaner. With an impressive liquid absorption capacity of up to 7 times their weight, these quick-drying microfiber towels leave no moisture behind. They retain their remarkable absorbency and luxurious softness even after numerous washes, ensuring long-lasting performance. Made from a premium blend of 87% polyester and 13% polyamide, these cleaning cloths are completely lint-free. Their gentle fibers are safe for delicate surfaces like glass, paint, and polished finishes, preventing any scratches or marks. Transform your kitchen into a model of organization with the versatile Sorbus Organizer. These transparent acrylic bins provide an ideal storage solution for your fridges, pantries, and cabinets. Each sturdy container can accommodate up to 12 cans, ensuring that your beverages and dry goods are neatly arranged. Their innovative stackable design optimizes your storage space, while the included BPA-free lids allow for secure, closed storage, enabling the bins to be stacked either upright or sideways. Made from safe, shatterproof acrylic, these bins enhance visibility, making it easy to find what you need. Beyond just can organizers, the Sorbus containers are multifunctional storage champions. Use them in the freezer to organize frozen items, in the pantry for snacks and dry goods, or under sinks to store cleaning supplies. Elevate your dining experience with the Blue Boon lunch bag, designed to keep your meals both fresh and fashionable. Measuring 10.6 inches in length, 6.3 inches in width, and 8.6 inches in height, this roomy yet lightweight bag weighs only 0.38 pounds. Its insulated cooler design effectively preserves the temperature of your food, guaranteeing that every meal remains delicious and fresh. A spacious front pocket is perfect for stashing small essentials like keys, phones, or transit cards. Made from durable, waterproof fabric with precision lining, this bag is leak-proof and a breeze to clean. The reinforced handle and sturdy metal zippers promise durability, while the two-way zipper provides effortless access. Revamp your storage area with the Vipec Portable Closet Wardrobe. With dimensions of 68.9 inches in length, 15.7 inches in width, and 76.4 inches in height, this wardrobe provides generous space for all your clothing essentials. Engineered for durability, it can hold an impressive 890 pounds, ensuring it stands strong against wear and tear. Say goodbye to clutter as this wardrobe transforms disorganized spaces into neat storage solutions. Its versatile design includes 6 tiers to optimize your storage capacity, along with 4 clothes hanging rods, each capable of supporting up to 60 pounds. Whether it's suits, coats, dresses, or accessories, everything from clothing to bedding and shoes will have its designated spot. Transform your space with Delaton's stylish yet robust adhesive hooks. Featuring a rounded square design, these hooks add a contemporary touch that enhances the decor of any bathroom, kitchen, office, or bedroom. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a frosted finish, they are built to endure humid conditions without rusting or staining. The smooth surface is easy to clean, but don't be misled by their sleek look. Delaton's adhesive hooks are incredibly strong. Rigorously tested for optimal adhesion, each hook firmly attaches to smooth surfaces such as metal, marble, tile, and glass, supporting up to 15 pounds. They're ideal for hanging coats, keys, bags, and even kitchen utensils. This mosquito net creates a protective canopy over your entire bed, ensuring that those annoying mosquitoes won't disturb your sleep. Installation is a breeze and can be completed in just a few minutes. The breathable mesh design allows air to circulate so that you can enjoy the cool breeze from your fan. Plus, it comes with a convenient travel bag, making it easy to take along on all your adventures. Keep an eye on your furry friend from any location with this engaging, interactive camera. It boasts 1080p HD video quality, a 110-degree wide-angle view, and night vision capabilities. The device also features a treat dispenser with adjustable distance settings and pairs seamlessly with a smartphone app for remote operation. Get real-time alerts for motion and sound, and enjoy two-way audio communication with your pet. With a simple setup and secure data encryption, you can rest easy knowing your pet is safe and sound. This innovative dimmer switch empowers you to take control of your lighting. Effortlessly adjust the brightness with a simple tap on your smartphone's touchscreen or by using your voice. You can establish schedules to automatically modify your lights throughout the day or design specific scenes to match your moods and activities. Experience the ultimate in oral care with this electric toothbrush designed to deliver an exceptional clean through its powerful high-frequency vibrations and broad oscillating motion. The advanced servo system ensures reliable performance even when encountering resistance. Featuring 3 unique brush heads and 10 adjustable settings accessible via the Lifen app, you can effortlessly personalize your brushing experience to suit your individual preferences. Crafted from robust borosilicate glass, Dialyse glass cups are designed to last. These tumblers are completely BPA-free and can handle extreme temperature fluctuations with ease. The crystal clear design lets you appreciate the vibrant hues of your favorite drinks, making them ideal for both hot and cold beverages. Each reusable cup comes equipped with a lid and straw, offering maximum versatility for enjoying iced coffee, cocktails, beer, whiskey, and more. The shatterproof construction ensures durability, while the dishwasher-safe feature makes cleanup a breeze. Whether you're unwinding at home or on the move, these glass cups serve as a stylish and secure option for all your drink needs. Transform your makeup routine with this glamorous Hollywood-style vanity mirror. Equipped with 96 LED lights, it offers 3 color modes and adjustable brightness for perfect lighting every time. The 360-degree rotation and detachable 5x magnification mirror guarantee precision and flexibility. With user-friendly smart touch controls, it's a breeze to use, and its chic design makes it an ideal gift for any celebration.